Today, we're featuring a
2020 Kenworth T800 Tandem highway tractor.
This unit comes fully loaded
with power windows, locks, and mirrors, with a full load interior including AM/FM CD radio with Bluetooth and leather seats, and a smart steering wheel. With a sleeper cab with single bunk, this Kenworth features a Cummins X15 engine with 565 horsepower, 220-inch wheelbase, 18-speed manual transmission with a 4.10 gear ratio, 8-bag suspension with a 14,600 front axle rating and 46K rear. Equipped solid with wet kit, quarter fenders, sliding fifth wheel, and chain hangers. This Kenworth has only 265K original miles on it, and it's work ready for the highway.
For more heavy equipment trucks like this, check out our complete inventory at internationalmachinery.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more heavy spec truck reviews and features. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more at International Machinery.